Hey y'all, we are here at the Good Target to see what they have for Christmas 2024. We're looking for the Hearth Hand collection, and I heard that this one might have everything out. So let's see if it's out and let's go through the items. Come on, girl.
Santa told me when you show yourself to me, I'll be fine who my baby will be tonight. It's all I need, somebody that'll only care for me.
This is the only setup that's clean and ready for Christmas here at Target. This is the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia collection. Everything is curated and ready to go. So let's walk through some of the things that are catching my eye. So starting over here, they have some really cute, kind of like just classical ornaments, really special ornaments. They're kind of already sold out, it looks like, or maybe they don't have everything out yet. But if you're going for a simple kind of like glass or Christmas clean Christmas tree with just like see-through glass ornaments, things of that nature with like a touch of gold or a touch of brass, these would be really, really cute. This is a 3-piece glass ornament set that's really, really cute. Again, very specific items depending on what your theme is for Christmas, but these could really work. This is a traditional tree skirt with the plaid. I think this is really beautiful. This is 100% cotton. $34.99. This is a good deal, I think, for a specific type of coloration like this, depending on if that's what you're going for. I've always liked the bead garland on trees that are more like whimsical. So this is something that you can definitely grab. They have tons in this collection. So if this is your theme, grab it up. So that's the first section, y'all. And then throughout, they kind of just have like more like home decor elements. So like if you are changing out things in your living room maybe to be more compatible with your Christmas decor, they have things like baskets that you could put your throws in. These really cute black baskets are out. You could put your Christmas specific throws in these in your living room or in your bedroom. Those are beautiful. My favorite things in this collection will forever be their candles. This candle I actually just got for the kitchen. This is salt. It's beautiful. It burns super clean. And I just really like the scalloped look on the outside as well. So great. And they also have really great room sprays. They have more specific Christmas looking candles on the outside for a nice decor pop. I always really like their balsam and berry scent as well. Oh my gosh, it just smells like Christmas. I am obsessed. Another thing that I like to get from this collection in Target are their kitchen towels. Now these aren't necessarily giving Christmas to me just yet, but if you want to update your kitchenware, your bathroom wear to be a little bit more in line with the upcoming season, this collection definitely has really cute items as well. This one is giving, it's a hand towel and it's $11.99. Well, they do have some cute kitchen hand towels. These are really, really cute. This is a set of 2, which is what I normally get. These are machine washable, really cute, just classic looking hand towels. Some of them are on clearance already, which is crazy, but this is $9.99. It's probably mixed in with some of the fall items. Always treat myself to like new oven mitts and pot holders for Christmas time because we all know can't have enough of these. This is a really cute pink and white set. I love that. And then for baking and cookware, they do have some really cute items like this mixing bowl with a rolling pin set. This is a really cute like hostess gift as well. Just something to bring over if like your mom or your sister is hosting Christmas. This is like a cute gift to give them as well. Or if you just want to update your bakeware for the holidays, highly recommend. How cute, this Christmas tree rolling pin. Another cute item to gift, but also if you want to treat yourself to some cute Christmas updates. This is actually really fun because this is a punch bowl. If you're hosting this holiday season, I highly recommend like a glass punch bowl, but this one's even better because it has like the little cups included. So this is an 8-piece punch bowl with ladle and cups. I don't see a price, girl, but if she's, I would say she's under 40, she's a go. She's $34.99. So this is a really cute, again, hostess gift or something for you if you're hosting. We're hosting Christmas this year, so this is definitely on my list. This is an adorable milk and cookie set for Santa. Of course, we put his milk in the coffee cup, and then we simply put his cookies out on this cute little platter. This is adorable. We don't have something like this, so I would absolutely grab this up. This is $19.99. I think that's a really good price. Super cute. Girl, $9.99. That's a good deal. That's a good deal for Target. I really like this in the traditional Christmas colors. This is beautiful. Or if you could do like a charcuterie board on here as well. It's to your place setting for Christmas. If you want something a little bit more traditional and specific to the plaid theme, this could be really cute. Dinner plates. The dinner plate is $2.99 and the salad plate is also $2.99. That's crazy. They're the same price. Maybe they should be $1.99, but either way, really cute set. Beautiful knitted stockings as well. These are $14.99 each. The green knit is stunning, as well as the red and beige has these really pretty pom-poms. $14.99 as well. I really like this theme of the knit for the stockings. Super cute. Oh, this one's really cozy. This is a $19.99 forest green throw, super soft and cozy, and it has pillows on the bottom. Simple. Like, I like these types of pillows. I think they could be really cute on a living room couch or a side chair. Super simple yet beautiful. $19.99. I like her. And this could be cute for a living room, but also cute for a bedroom. I really like the type font of the Merry Christmas on here. This one is also $19.99. Love her. This is a really cute print. I've been into updating prints like throughout my kitchen. So this could be a really cute, it looks like very nostalgic vintage print for kitchen or living room or even bathroom for a Christmas specific touch. $19.99. Very beautiful. Side, we've got some really pretty wreaths. These are 26 inches, $34.99. It comes with the ribbon. This is a nice touch. This is also beautiful. This is more of the real touch. Ooh, it has the bell and ribbon. 26 inches, also $34.99. I would actually grab this one because I'm gonna keep the wreath on the door simple this year, and I really like this, but I'll probably switch it out for like a chocolate brown ribbon closer to this color. But this is a vibe. So have some potted trees. I have a couple of these from previous years that we can use outside, just like potted spruce trees. These are $39.99. They have like the faux soil on the inside as well. Potentially could use outside, but you just have to be careful if those are outdoor and UV resistant. Cute, it has the bells. It's 26 inches. And this is more simple but elegant. 2 bells with the ribbon. $34.99. Which one do you like better? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, I have new friends. Target definitely is ready for Christmas. Stuff is still coming out, but the Hearth Hand collection is fully stocked. So head to your local good Target, girl, okay? Because you know you gotta go to the good one. They definitely have the collection set and ready to go. You can definitely grab a few things as you walk through the store in their dollar spot, like these cute little friends, little gingerbread and little Christmas tree. They're $5 pillows, so cute. Anyway, Target's ready for you for Christmas decor. Let me know in the comments below if you made it that far, what you thought of the video, okay? I'll see you in my next one.